How competitive are you? Today I'm going to show you some local co-op games you can really sink your teeth into. Perfect for those times of year when friends and family gather together. Now I know you'll have people of all ages wanting to play, so we're breaking these down into family-friendly picks, mixed age story co-op, and then some hardcore adult choices. And stick around, I've got a bonus pick at the end. Now all of these games are available through Game Pass Ultimate, so you're covered with Xbox Studios, EA Play, and Ubisoft Plus Classics. Firstly, Battletoads is chaotic couch co-op fun. For up to 3 players, jump in as Rash, Zitz, and Pimple, smashing enemies, racing speeder bikes, and laughing at slapstick humour. It's colourful, silly, and tougher than it looks. Perfect for kids and adults together. Rayman Legends is one of the best platformers ever made. Up to 4 players can dive into creative levels, rhythm stages, underwater challenges, and more. It's easy to pick up, but tricky enough to keep seasoned gamers hooked. Bright, whimsical, and brilliant for family nights. Crash Team Racing Nitro Fueled brings back classic kart racing with a modern polish. Split screen races, shortcuts, power-ups, and plenty of chaos. Kids love the rockets, adults love the skillful drifting. Set up a Grand Prix and let the bragging rights fly. Grounded 2 expands the backyard survival adventure. Up to 4 players shrink down, explore new biomes, craft, and fight giant insects. It's quirky, tense, and creative. Teamwork is everything, and progress carries across seasons. It Takes Two is pure co-op magic. 2 players take on Cody and May, solving puzzles and tackling wild mechanics that change every level. It's heartfelt, hilarious, and forces constant communication. Perfect for couples, families, or friends. Scott Pilgrim vs. the World is a retro beat-em-up fun with pixel art style and a legendary soundtrack. Up to 4 players team up, juggle enemies, revive teammates, and pull off combos. Nostalgic, stylish, and packed with energy. Gears 5 is a blockbuster action built for co-op. Whether you're tackling the cinematic campaign or horde mode, teamwork is key. Cover fire, flanking, and big set pieces. It's intense, mature, and perfect for late night sessions. Halo The Master Chief Collection is the definitive sci-fi shooter package, bundling together Halo CE, Halo 2, Halo 3, and Halo 4 in one massive collection. With split-screen campaign co-op, you and your squad can relive the saga of the Master Chief together, blasting through Covenant fights, surviving flood infestations, and tackling iconic set pieces that define a generation of shooters. The collection doesn't stop at campaigns either. Firefight mode brings horde-style replayability, while classic multiplayer maps lets you settle old rivalries right on the couch. The remastered visuals and soundtrack make the experience feel fresh, yet still nostalgic, and the sheer variety of modes means you'll never run out of challenges. It's legendary, demanding, and endlessly replayable. It's tailor-made for hardcore late-night sessions. Now, I did say I had a bonus pick at the start, and Monopoly Madness takes the classic board game and turns it into a frantic real-time chaos. Players run around grabbing resources, buying properties, and sabotaging each other. It's colourful, quick, and hilarious. Ideal for family nights when you want something light-hearted. So that's my list of local co-op games for the festive season. Drop your Xbox picks in the comments below. Let me know what you'll be playing, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you soon for more content. Ciao.